Attention homeowners! The following is a message for every homeowner who needs to be on top of septic maintenance but can't find a great septic treatment that really works. Hi, my name is Christopher. I have 15 years of experience pumping and installing septic systems. Here's the truth you need to know about septic tank treatments. Not all treatments are created equal. In fact, most treatments are not even alive. Here's the biggest problem you face right now. It's unscrupulous companies who tell you just use XYZ treatment and never pump your tank again. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not true. Sorry, you have to pump your septic tank. And worst of all, most homeowners can't get past the idea that their tank only needs to be pumped when it's full. It's always full. Because every tank needs to be pumped out at some point to maintain a healthy leach field. Which means if your tank isn't pumped, it will let out heavy sludge that will destroy your leach field, costing you thousands. But that's not the end of the problem. It actually gets worse. Once your system is compromised, heavy equipment is usually your only option, leaving your landscaping in ruins. But luckily for you, there's now a solution to your problem. ProPump Septic Saver Kit. Pumping your tank is like changing the oil in your car, and adding ProPump is like adding gas to your tank. Your tank needs bacteria to thrive. Bacteria breaks down the waste that builds up on the top and bottom of your tank. ProPump's patented purple flagellate bacteria works on an aerobic as well as aerobic level. What that means is while some treatments can break down the waste on the top layer where there is oxygen present, they can't get the hard-to-reach heavy sludge at the bottom of your tank. This is where ProPump really sets itself apart. ProPump works on all three layers of your tank, eating up the hard-to-break-down grease, fat, paper, and other organic waste that falls to the bottom. It goes to work fast on the black sludge that gums up your leach field. All tanks have a natural amount of bacteria. However, most people use cleaning supplies that destroy natural bacteria, things like bleach and other caustic chemicals. Pharmaceuticals can also damage the living bacteria that is found in your tank. ProPump is designed to withstand most household cleaners. Why is there liquid and powder? The liquid is living bacteria, billions and billions of suspended bacteria. While completely safe to living humans, this bacteria is designed to devour dead organic waste. Adding liquid ProPump replenishes the system, making sure there is enough bacteria present for the enzymes to work. The packets are the enzymes that feed the bacteria. Without the bacteria present, the enzymes cannot reproduce and essentially die off. The powdered enzymes are the superfood for the bacteria. ProPump Septic Saver Kit, in conjunction with proper pumping maintenance, will increase the overall life of your system. ProPump Septic Saver not only adds billions of living bacteria to your tank, it also eats away at the sludge that builds up in your pipes and causes nasty odors and blockages. Check out this before and after picture. Sure, we could sell way more products by making claims such as use this and never pump your tank again. But we want your system to last. So, if you're a homeowner who really needs to be on top of septic maintenance but can't find a great septic treatment that really works, here's the solution you've been looking for. ProPump Septic Saver Kit will help you break up heavy sludge, eat fats, grease, and other organic waste, remove nasty odors, extend the life of the septic system, increase the overall effectiveness, 100% organic, biodegradable, is all safe, natural, and effective. ProPump Septic Saver is a 12-month supply of septic treatment. You get 1 quart of ProPump High Count, 12 packs of ProPump Septic Saver enzymes, 2 leak detection test tablets to find and stop leaky toilets that can destroy your leach lines, Septic Saver 101 and ProPump High Count question and answer booklet. Instructions, questions, and answers with tips and maintenance on service. Treat your system with the same living bacteria that professionals use to treat millions of gallons of city sewer. Leverage the power of billions of living bacteria to keep your tank free of fats, grease, paper, and heavy sludge. Differentiate your system from the others that will find themselves replacing their leach field far too early. Stop nasty smells that gross out family and friends. Rest easy knowing that ProPump not only treats your tank with hungry live bacteria, but your leach lines will also have the benefit of billions of microbes cleaning your sludge while you sleep. And much, much more. And best of all, you'll start seeing results with ProPump Septic Saver Kit immediately on contact, and it costs less than the price of one copy per month. So again, if you're a homeowner who really wants to do everything possible to keep your septic system thriving, understand this. Every day, more and more scum, paper, heavy grease, laundry soap, and gunk make their way into your system, plugging up the lines and putting your home at risk for total system failure. You no longer need a septic professional like me to apply ProPump Septic Saver to your system. You can easily do it yourself. With these easy-to-follow directions, you can treat your own system fast. Just simply pour ProPump High Count liquid down any drain in the house or cleanout, or right into the first compartment of your septic tank. As long as ProPump makes its way into the septic tank, it'll work. Then every month, flush one packet down the drain and mark off the checklist. Then next month, add one more packet. That's it. Don't let your system fall prey to lesser quality treatments that can cause more harm than good. Act now before it's too late. Save your septic with ProPump Septic Saver Kit. Get on board with ProPump Septic Saver Kit from Ecological Labs now.